My name is Irene Modibetsane, a student with the PhD student with the University of Botswana. Let me take this opportunity to thank CAPSI for accepting me because I'm the only student from Botswana. And this CAPSI retreat, the first day it enlightened me on the process of a PhD and to appreciate and gave me hope that I can make it with my PhD. The course that I learned yesterday, the advice besides the academic training that they gave us is that with your PhD, don't try to solve the whole world's problem. Focus on your topic because you are not looking for a Nobel Prize. You must focus on your topic with the three questions that I needed in the research. That's the what, the how, and the when. So I'm also at the stage of defending my proposal and writing my proposal. So they enlightened me on how to develop my proposal. And the important thing again that I heard is that you must be strong because your PhD is your philosophy. So the feedback that you get from your supervisors should not offend you and should not make you lose hope. And PhD is a vigorous exercise and is doable by anybody. You only have to be committed. And the retreat that CAPSI is running, I wish some students from my country can benefit because it's so enlightening. It's only the first day that I finished, but I can foresee that at the end of the week, I'll be a better PhD candidate. Thank you.